ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kajingelang beningkong jong ka Parliamentary Party ka All India Trinamool Congress Meghalaya State Unit kabalalong ha ka arpo hundreo tere gubanay naibing arajar arpuway kala jedio Dr. Mukul Sangma kumunong elam jong ka Parliamentary Party. Ubah Himalaya Moktan Syang Pliang habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor uloong bahagani kajingelang laya simbenta barok hat arngut ki MLA bat jedru yau kumu secretary jong ka Parliamentary Party bat yau ba George B. Lingdo kumu chief whip kalyang persya namar bakani ka kinhon menta kadai ka babun pat hagal yang persya jong ka ying dorbar thawan ke jilla
nilai yo banjir ya Dr. Mukul Sangma Uban long o Parliamentary Party leader dia menta hakajing ai khoble jong ula ai khoble ki members baro khatwingut ya kajing ai kajik ta kajing shania ha u ba unyalam but ru bon long unong yalam jong ka legislature party jungi nalor kata jaj ba kanika All India Trinamool Congress kalalong ka principal opposition party ha po ka dorbat ho ain de kadai ka benda jong ka AITC bakan yo ya ka shuki jong opposition chief whip but kene ka jelam ne kala jet ya ba George B. Lingdo MLA Umroy ba in shimti no ya ka kam jong opposition chief whip nalor kata kene ka ju ka jelam kala jet yanga kom u secretary jong ka Parliamentary Party kada kamut jong ka legislature party ke ni baro lai kal ni lai syajit madasi hak ni kejialang te kani kejialang ne nilai ya perkhat sani bah ya ki kam ki jam bangin penia chakman ba kumno bangi dei bangin ai ke ji shakri ke ba hok ka shin shakri ke basmur ya ki pajba bat kum juru ba ngin ya chakmat ha ka jing persyang ban mat pendem ya ki jingkular bangi ngira ai ki pajba hakapor bangi dakshajit hakapor bangi dakshajit te hakaju kani kajing lam ne kalarai ba ni baro kharangut nin lecha Kolkata hakasni ulai namar ba hakasni nongkong kata kumut arpu khnai tari ladon ka appointment ba labu rekat bangi nya kendu ya ka Mamta Banerjee ka balong ka chairperson jong ka All India Trinamool Congress, but kiwi senior leaders Jonkane party Kolkata. Well, politically, one cannot predict. It could go any way, but that it does not mean that we form the AITC just to topple the government. If there is an opportunity for the AITC to create a situation where we could have the government, why not? So, but to say that the AITC has been constituted or has been formed in the Meghalaya just to topple the government, and that is not rather a good statement. It's rather an immature statement to come up with such statement towards us. I don't see any betrayal anywhere. It is basically, if I may reiterate what I had mentioned yesterday, we were looking for a space where we could deliver, a space where we could function more better, and a space where we could communicate with the people, and also a space where we could really come up with such a situation where we could convert the expectations and the aspirations of the people into reality. Legally, they are most welcome to examine. There is no problem in that. We have also not just submitted the paper for without any examination. Our legal team has done their due diligence in preparing the papers for us, the documents for us, and we have also duly consulted the Constitution of India. Every paragraph relevant has been confirmed with, and when we submitted our papers on the night, on the 24th night, to the Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker himself had turned the pages of the Constitution of India and referred to the paragraphs that were mentioned in our documents. And he seemed satisfied with that. And that is how he has allowed us to come with all the 12 members yesterday in front of him. And in front of him, he has asked us to sign our attendance of all the 12. So therefore, I think legally we are on the right track, and there is nothing wrong with our documents or with our papers. The door of the AITC is always open for our other MLA friends who are still outside. And but if they have to come again, they have to conform to the legalities of the Constitution, of the anti-defection law, and but they're most welcome. We were still looking forward for some of our very close friends who have just missed the bus, and we would request them to join us too. And besides the MLAs, there are also many ex-MLAs and other very senior leaders of various parties who have already expressed their willingness to join our new party. And I hope in the days to come we would be seeing many senior leaders and many good leaders joining the AITC. Well, the feedback is good. The feedback that we got is very promising, and there are a lot of whispers that are going on for many people who are willing to join. And let's hope more and more people from the Congress will be joining the AITC. We will be announcing that on our return from Calcutta, after we have had a detailed discussion with our senior leaders in Calcutta.